Good morning, Fruitville Pirates, and welcome to FBNN. Today is Monday, January 30th, and the 98th day of school. I'm Nadia.
And I'm Logan. Now to Tasman for the pledges.
Please stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now for the Fruitville Pledge. I can be responsible, respectful, and resourceful with everything I do and say today.
Thanks, Tasman.
Now it's time for Science Trivia. The number to call on your screen is 50612. We will be answering caller number 2. The question is, what type of galaxy is the Milky Way? The question is, what type of galaxy is the Milky Way? Oh wait, yeah, don't call number 2. Sorry, you're caller number 1.
Hello, whose class is this?
Miss Cunningham?
Who's speaking?
Coleman?
What's the correct answer?
A spiral galaxy.
Woo!
The correct answer is a spiral galaxy.
Now to Grant for today's menu.
Today we will be having personal pan pizza, rice and bean enchilada, UBR fruit and yogurt platter, steamed squash and side salad, applesauce and grapefruit, 100% fruit blend, juice. Arr!
Thanks, Grant. That sounds delicious.
We're anticipating the winners of the iReady Challenge at each grade level to see who gets their name on the marquee.
Today is Mindset Monday. We have 2 quotes for you to think about. If it doesn't challenge you, it won't change you. And the second quote is, don't let failure be an ending, make it a beginning.
Friday is Party Time. The Arctic Zone will take place on Friday. If you don't get to attend this party, make goals to attend the third quarter on April 7th. The theme will be out of this world. Make sure you attend school, read AR, and follow the 3 R's.
Keep checking out the Sunshine Readers. Those books are a big hit. The Sunshine Readers are AR books. Remember, if you read 4 books, you will be voting on your favorite one.
We have 2 science vocabulary words for you today, mixture and solution. We will focus on a mixture today. A mixture is a combination of 2 or more substances where each keep their own properties and can be easily separated. Here are some examples of a mixture: a tossed salad, bag of different candies, or trail mix. As you eat lunch this week, ask yourself, is this a mixture?
The yearbook is for sale for $20. Make sure you get your order in soon. Make checks payable to Fruitville School, or you can order online.
And there will be a skate night at Stardust on Wednesday, February 1st. The class with the most in attendance gets a prize, so be ready to skate on Wednesday. Now it's time for Weird But True Facts. Did you know you have the same number of neck bones as a giraffe? That Mount Everest is 27 times taller than the Eiffel Tower? Or that rats can't burp?
That's weird.
But it's true.
Now to Mr. Jaffe for some announcements.
What a nice mixture of facts with the trivia. One of my favorite ways to keep the difference between a mixture and a solution is to think about Chex Mix. And when you think about Chex Mix, you have the pretzels and the little pieces of bread inside. It's put together, but you can see each separate part. A solution, I often think about Kool-Aid. You put it into the water and it spreads evenly throughout, so you can't really tell one part is different than the other. That would be a solution. But what I was thinking about was last night I was a little bit cold. So what I did is I put a blanket on my bed. Just like my jacket, it doesn't generate heat, but it helps me hold the heat in. And that's what happens on the Earth. The Earth's atmosphere, the air around the Earth, is like a blanket that holds in the heat. So why would it be cold? Well, of course, the Earth is tilted. So when our northern hemisphere is facing away from the sun, we get a little bit less sunlight. It's a little bit less energy. And thank goodness the blanket's holding in the sun, but there's less energy to hold in. So we have the winter temperatures. When we're facing towards the sun, we have longer days, more heat, and it's so much more energy. It's hard to hold on to all that heat. So we have really hot days during the summer. And it's all because of the Earth's atmosphere, the blanket that holds in the temperature. But on other planets, it's kind of a different story. On Mercury, which is so close to the sun, it's actually burnt off the atmosphere. They have incredibly hot days where it's facing the sun, and incredibly cold nights where it's facing away from the sun. It will drop between 800 degrees, 600 degrees facing the sun, 200 degrees below zero facing away from the sun, because there's no blanket to hold in the air. Of course, our beautiful Earth. And then when you get to the gas giants, well, those are almost all air, and it's cold and thick, like living in a milkshake with terrible, terrible storms, because it's almost all air, all gas planets. And finally, way out to icy Pluto, the atmosphere has frozen solid to the ground. So instead of air that we would recognize, or an atmosphere we would recognize, if you wanted to get air, you would have to chip it out with an ice pick and a pail. All the air has frozen solid. So I love being on our beautiful blue-green Earth with our hot summer days and our cold winter nights. Have a lovely day. And my joke for today is, how did the solar system hold up its pants? How did the solar system hold up its pants? Okay, the newsroom got it. It used an asteroid belt. Have a great day.
All right, thank you, Mr. Jaffe. As always, I love Science Mondays. And boys and girls, I love that we're doing that science vocabulary. It is very, very important that we have that vocabulary. If we know the vocabulary, we're easier to figure out the concepts, right? So I learned something a little bit with Mr. Jaffe every single time, every single Monday, and the vocabulary helps me out. I love the mixture, and I can visualize what a mixture is with that Chex Mix. All right, speaking of mixture, we had a mixture of winners for our Jogathon. We had an awesome Jogathon on Friday. The atmosphere in the Earth was perfect, right? It was perfect. We had a perfect day. It was a great winter day. So even though we had that, it was a great winter day. So we had some winners. All right. First of all, we want to thank everybody for participating. I can honestly say, kindergarten through fifth graders, everybody was out there. Everybody gave great effort. It was great. I mean, everybody was well behaved. It was, I couldn't have a better day. So I was very, very happy about that. We're going to talk about some winners from each class, boys and girls. So we'll go down, we'll start with kindergarten, and we'll go all the way through fifth grade. So there's our kindergarten winners by class before we get into some individual awards. So congratulations to our kindergarten winners. You were the ones who ran the most laps in your class. So thank you very much, those kindergarten winners. Now, our first grade, there's the kids who ran the most laps per class in first grade. Congratulations to those winners. Great job. I can hear you hooting and hollering in your classroom. Great job. Second grade winners. Before you guys go on to specials, let's see those second grade winners. Wow, look at all those great runners. Congratulations, runners. Those are your winners for second grade who ran the most laps in their class. Third grade, there they are. Look at all those. Third grade was out there. They were like in their primo time of running. They were out there at 11:30. It was perfect. And look at all those winners. Okay, congratulations, third graders. On to fourth grade. There they are. Great job, fourth graders. They really ran hard. Those boys and girls doing a nice job. And last but not least, again, an excellent job for all my fifth grade winners who ran really, really well. We have some more names on some slides because we had some ties. So we had some ties for some. But look at those winners from the individual classrooms from there. All right, so now we get down to award time, right? We get down to award time. The first award goes to the person who ran the most laps. And yes, this year we got used to seeing some 60 laps and things like that because we used to have that real small track. This year we had a much larger track, kids told me. So this one, 38 laps outpaced everybody. We had a big tie for second, but 38 laps that outpaced everybody. Mr. Jake Menard had 38 laps. Congratulations, Jake. He is the overall winner for most laps run in the school, and he gets a nice prize, right? If you want to head up, Jake, they have something in my office, so after the news, you guys can head up. That's what we're going to say. We're going to pull some of these people up. As soon as I announce the names, we're going to pull them up because we have PTO members. The classes who raised the most money, there they are. Let's hear it for kindergarten, Miss Kolb's class. Yep, let's hear it. They get ice cream truck. First grade, Miss Cunningham's class gets ice cream truck. Second grade, Miss Robson's class gets ice cream truck. Third grade, Miss Seltzer's class gets the ice cream truck. Fourth grade, Miss Mayer's class gets the ice cream truck. And in fifth grade, Miss Durst's class gets the ice cream truck. So we'll work that out with Mrs. B. Teachers just work that out on what day you're going to go, and we'll work that out. Congratulations, those classes who earn the most money for our school. That's what it's really all about. We're having fun and earning money. Next. Oh, we had these students countdown to the most money raised. So these 10 students, we had a tie. We had some there, so we have 9 there. These 9 students in reverse order raised the most money. So they get a prize pack, and they also they won a pizza party with none other than myself, and we'll have Mrs. Hannon invited in there as well. So myself and Mrs. Hannon will have lunch with them. We'll make a day. Congratulations. You should be heading down to the office right now. Miss Cadence Evans, number 1. Jonathan Rohracher. All right, Jonathan. Savannah Vowles, number 7. Congratulations. Ella Miller White. Congratulations. Head on down to my office. They got a little prize for you. Number 5 and 4, Mr. Nathan Wells and Mr. Scotty Wells. Congratulations. Number 3, Mr. Keller Button, my man, who's always very happy. Congratulations, Keller. Thank you for doing a great job. Miss Hayden Mott, I'm sorry. Congratulations, Hayden. You're doing a wonderful job. And Miss Tatum French was our number 1 money raised for this time also. So congratulations. Congratulations. Next on the list, top class with the most money raised was, I would do a drum roll, but it's right there. It's Miss Mayer's class, $863. Awesome job. $863 raised by that class. They get a pizza party again. We'll make it so. We'll set the date out. Miss Mayer's class, when works best for you. So congratulations, Miss Mayer's class. Almost $1,000 from that class. Okay. All right. Back to Mr. French. So one thing I was going to say on that Tatum French, she had the most money raised. Do you know that she went to 38? She had 38 different people who gave money. Actually, 39 different people who gave money. So 39 different donors she went to. So she went door to door, right, only to people that she knew, but 39 different people attributed to that. So congratulations. All right, we have one last thing. We always put everybody's name into a hat anybody who's raised $100 or more. We always kind of put that into a hat, and they win a 6-month free Y membership. So it'll be all throughout the summer. So if they want to use the Y Water Park or do anything from the Y, they will win the 6-month Y membership. So I'm going to have Franco's going to help me out. He's going to pick it out. Mix them around, Mr. Franco. He's going to pick it out. Don't pick from the top, Franco. Mix them around. Pick one from in there. The lucky winner of the Y 6-month membership is Brooke Ganser. Miss Brooke Ganser, congratulations. You won the Y membership. Congratulations, Brooke, for doing a wonderful job in raising money for Fruitville. Thank you all, boys and girls. We love all the donations, whether you gave a quarter, a penny, a nickel, $1, $10, whatever it is. It all came to our school. And so Mr. French thanks you so much for that. Hope you enjoyed the Jogathon. Thank you, everybody, for participating. Great job, news crew, for getting that all ready for Mr. French. Now back to the anchors.
Congratulations, Jogathon winners. And thank you, Mr. French.
Our club meets today, and Math Olympiad Club meets today.
And thank you for watching another episode of FVNN. I'm Nadia.
And I'm Logan.
We can have a marvelous Monday. See you tomorrow.